To factor quadratics where our leading coefficient is equal to 1, we are looking for two numbers that multiply to be this last number, negative 16, that add to be this middle number, the coefficient of x, which is negative 6. So we're looking for numbers that multiply to be negative 16. So we can just start writing out ways to multiply numbers to get negative 16. Well, I could have a negative 1 and a positive 16, or a negative 2 and a positive 8, negative 4 and positive 4, negative 8 and positive 2, negative 16 and positive 1. These are the easy pairs that multiply to be negative 16. And then we're looking for a pair that adds to be negative 6. Okay, so when adding these pairs, we're looking for a negative 6. Well, that's 15, that's positive 6, that's 0. There's our negative 6. Okay, and so we'll just look for the pair that adds to be that negative 6. So negative 8 and 2 are the pair that we use to factor this. And then so the way that it factors is we have just an x in each of these, and then we have those two numbers, negative 6 and positive 2. Oh, sorry, negative 8 and positive 2. And that's how we factor that quadratic. Let's do it again for part B. We're looking for numbers, two numbers that multiply to be a negative 45, that are going to be add to be positive 4. So first of all, because we know that we're adding to be a positive 4, we know that our positive number, when we're multiplying two numbers to get a negative, we're going to have a positive and a negative. The positive is going to have to be bigger. So if we start going through, and we can say, well, negative 1 and positive 45, negative 3 and positive 15, negative 5 and positive 9. And right there, I'm going to go and stop, because once you find a pair that adds to be this middle coefficient, then we're done. So negative 5 and positive 9 are our numbers. So we've got x minus 5 and x plus 9. And there's our factored form for that quadratic.